A special report first. We'll hear from mothers who say they are in no hurry to just say no to breastfeeding.
I'm going to do this the long haul. I'm not going to stop for any reason.
Now, breastfeeding is as old as mankind, but here's something that may be new to you. It certainly was to me. There are moms who choose to continue breastfeeding even after their babies grow up. They nurse 2, 3, 4, even 5 and 6-year-olds. Now, in this special report, parents tell me why they are still nursing, and they answer the question, how old is too old?
How's Cal go?
No.
Toby is 2 years old, and Toby still nurses.
Nur? Nur, that's what he calls it.
Just a quick sip, that's all he wanted.
That was his way of letting you know that he owns me, I think.
Toby's mother and father are part of a growing number of parents who choose to breastfeed their toddlers and preschoolers.
I'm going to do this the long haul. I'm not going to stop for any reason.
These moms and dads all have breastfeeding toddlers. This mom is currently nursing 2 children.
Tandem nursing. I'm breastfeeding my almost 3-year-old daughter and my 4-month-old daughter.
Moms who nurse their older children say there's nothing sexual going on. If you think so, they say you have a hang-up.
The chances are good that those people look at women's breasts and women's bodies in general in more sexual terms.
Parents also say extended nursing does affect their intimacy.
Yes, it changes things. These are food now. I mean,
If anything, it's, you know, the longer she nurses, the longer they stay a little bigger.
These parents say the health benefits to their children are enormous.
We have more mature immune systems, so we usually don't get sick, but we have the antibodies, and we pass that to the children in our milk.
These parents say they breastfeed because their children still need to.
Children of our children's ages still have a need, an innate biological need to suck. Breastfeeding is the most natural, and the perfect way to meet that need is taken away. They will find other ways, sucking their thumbs.
These parents say they breastfeed because it's a toddler tranquilizer.
We don't have to deal with cranky babies. We know how to put them to sleep real quick.
It really is a magic pill.
It really is. It calms them down so quickly and easily, as well as the mother. The release of prolactin calms us down.
One of Houston's leading neonatologists says breastfeeding toddlers and preschoolers is a good thing.
But there's even some information that says that those children who breastfeed longer like that are more independent and have less anxiety when they break away from their mothers at 5 and 6 years of age.
But this child development expert says breastfeeding toddlers and preschoolers is not a good thing.
I always say when a child has teeth, it's time to stop. Because when they get too old, then you don't want them to be overly attached. Real love is making your child mature so that they can make it without you.
They're babies. 3 years old is a baby, not a mature adult yet. So
Let them be babies.
let them be baby. Let them enjoy being babies.
Every child will wean at some age. We will not have 18-year-olds still breastfeeding when they go off to college.
So when will their kids stop breastfeeding? The parents I talk to say when their kids are ready. Take a look at 9-year-old Madeline. She did not stop nursing until she was 5 years old, and Madeline does not care who knows it.
I just don't think that people should be embarrassed.
Madeline and her mom say she stopped when she had no need to nurse anymore, and all the other parents I talk to say that is exactly when their kids will stop also.